Beautiful. Nagel's completely closed. This place was legendary. Shot scenes of Greta here. By that.
Come on. Come on. All right. Thank you.
This used to be like a little general store candy shop. I used to come in here when I was a kid.
It's a nice art shop.
Yeah. Old telephones that aren't there anymore.
Yeah. We once had lots of gum and spit. It's not
See
on.
that yellow building right there? I used to live in that left top floor corner. Those 3 windows. That was my, well, my mother's apartment, but that was my room on the left. This place has been here forever. Forever. It's nice in the winter because it's very quiet. This thing has been here for a while.
Has it?
Yeah. Days? No, this is, yeah, Days Ice Cream. Days Ice Cream. I used to come here a lot.
I'm starving.
The Starving Artist is in the back. You can access it from that door or from the other side.
Oh, they're open. No.
They're open.
Yeah.
Well, this little garden looks a hell of a lot better in the summer, but cool little garden here. Centennial Cottage. Love this place. No running water, electric, or anything, but beautiful. Time forgot about it. Love these old trees. Even though it says anarchy. And the great auditorium. There it is. In its glory. There it is. It's cold. There's nobody here because it's cold. Tent houses are all closed up. These are the famous tent houses in Ocean Grove. I used to skateboard in here too.
There's a rabbit.
Oh yeah, Bunny. Hey Bunny. The Bunny Wabbit. Hey. Can I get closer? Boink, boink, boink. I used to go tent hopping when I was a kid. I used to jump from rooftop to rooftop.
Seriously.
Well, it was mainly in that back part over there, but yeah. Famous tent houses, Ocean Grove, New Jersey. No lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. You rock. I know. Thanks. This is oh, I guess they're like cave people. Time tells stories. Sweet. Okay. There used to be a beautiful mural here to my left, but it's not looking too good these days. The old casino. You know, they shot scenes of City by the Sea here too. This is where somebody, I don't know, got killed. Cool little
Somebody put it down.
artsy crochet thingies. And locks. Lots of locks. Why locks? I don't understand what this means. That's the old thing.